Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you an easy way to make rice and peas. I'll start by rinsing off the peas and then putting it into a pot. I'll fill the pot about halfway with water and place on the stove. I'll add some salt, black pepper, about 1/4 of a chopped onion, some thyme, and 2 cloves of garlic. I'll put the stove on medium to high heat. I didn't soak my peas, so I'll cook this for about an hour. An hour's passed and I'll check to see if my peas are ready. They still look like they can use a little bit more time, so I'll just add a bit more hot water and let it boil for another 25 minutes. So another 25 minutes have passed and the peas are looking nice and tender. At this point, I'll add in the cream coconut. You can also use coconut milk or coconut powder, whichever is to your liking. I'll give it a good stir. And I want this to be completely dissolved, so I'll let it boil for another 5 minutes before I add the rice in. Coconut cream is completely dissolved. Right now you can taste the water just to see if it needs a little bit more salt or black pepper, and you'll add it in at this point. Now I have about 5 cups of rice that I've already washed. I like to use parboiled rice, but you can use any type of rice that you prefer. Now gently add in all the rice. And give the rice a good stir to make sure that all the peas are distributed evenly. You want the water level to be about 1 inch to 1.5 inches above the rice. We'll cover this, bring the water to a boil, and then put the heat on low and let it simmer for about half an hour. After 30 minutes, give the rice a good fluff. And then just check to see how tender the rice is. It needs to cook a little more, so I'm just going to add a little bit more hot water and let it steam for another 15 minutes. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. 15 minutes have passed by. We're just going to check the rice one more time. And it looks perfectly cooked. Nice and tender. Fluffy, tender rice and peas. Thanks for watching, and join me next week for another easy recipe.